Model, 61-plate Ford Transit 2.4 TDCi 100 T350 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive, starts DRUVES, needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 231844. Engine, 2401 cc Tdci 100 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, clutch, gearbox and running gear are perfect. Just a turbo does not seem to be spinning and creating any boost. Straightforward support turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, tow hitch.